Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to clear Revolut assessment. First, make sure you're familiar with Revolut's profile, plans, and policies. Next, complete your identity verification and take the financial stability quiz. After that, go to How Can We Help and provide your source of funds and employment details. Finally, review everything carefully and submit your application. Once done, just wait for the approval from Revolut. And that's it! You've successfully cleared your Revolut assessment. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.